This is how we get water purified on the AT. We're using the Sawyer system. Runaway just filled up the bag with water. Hey, Runaway. And I am passing him back the filter, which he's going to attach to the water bag. Next, he's taking the mouthpiece off the hose that goes to his water bag, which is inside his pack, and attaches the hose to the Sawyer. That's the beauty. You don't have to take your bag out of your pack. You can do it right like he's doing it. Easy. And he's just rolling up the bag, squishes the water down through the filter and into the hose. And there you have it.